May was a very good month for us here with options. I personally got more wins than losses, so that got my P&L to an 8% for the month, which is amazing. So we're going to be breaking down all my entries for the month of May. We're also going to be looking at what we have done already for June, what we already opened, and what I'm going to open throughout the weeks in the month of June. So stay tuned for that. Hold on a minute. Before we start, I have a huge announcement. So if you're still watching, that's good for you because you can make $100 if you watch until the end of the video. So again, before we start the video, watch it all the way through, and then you're going to understand how you can be part of a giveaway of $100 here on Bitopics. Let's go back with the video. We are here on Bitopics. We are on the options tab, and what I have to show you here is at the bottom. First of all, Bitcoin is again back above 70k, which is amazing news for everyone. $71,232, and Ethereum is at 3,800. So if we scroll down, we have right here the entries for May, and what we have to look at is the events tab, because otherwise you're just going to be seeing red and green numbers and you're not going to understand what happened. So here we have at the bottom Bitcoin. This expiration was from a month prior, so it doesn't really count, and this one expired worthless, so I lost $45. But again, because it is on May, we can count that in if you want to, but I opened that position on April. But for May, we bought this call right here, and we sold it right after. You see there's a buy and a sell event here, and we see we actually got profit. We got around 30% profit. There we go, 34% profit here. Now we have this fancy P&L chart that you can share on Facebook, on Telegram, whatever you want to. You can save it. We're still working on it a little bit, but at least now we have position sharing, which you can share online with everyone else. So I got that one, which was good. And then we got two more. I bought an Ethereum call and a Bitcoin put, and both of them expired. They didn't actually make money, but they did not expire worthless like this one. So for the Ethereum, I lost $30 here. And for the Bitcoin, because I thought it was going to correct below 67, I lost 150 or so. And now I have these three options open. One of these is actually profitable right now. If we go right here, the Bitcoin for 65,000 is profitable right now, and this expires on July 24, so we still have a lot to go. I have an Ethereum for June 7th, and that unfortunately is going to be $356 below the price, so I'm gonna lose 350 on that one because Ethereum is stuck at 3853, which by now I thought it was gonna be above the 4k mark, which is not good for this option. But I have a 3500 that I opened because of this. I opened this one for July 26, so we have a whole month to make it back. It is just 0.1 of a contract, but that one can be very profitable if Ethereum goes above the 4k because it is very in the money. So it is 3500, just like the 6500 is in the money as they open. But now is where the fun stuff begins. First of all, if you look at the copy trading strategy, we now have a new strategy, and this one is popping off. You can see we have the 0 DTE option, so they are 0 days to expiration strategy, which we covered before. If you don't know what I'm talking about, we have a video right here talking about it. And the P&L in the past 30 days, we made 8.27%. So this one is very good. We're still tweaking and figuring out. We're testing that as we speak. So you can see there's very little capital, but this one so far is performing very well. Again, it is super low in capital right now because we're still testing. But if you want to be part of the testing, if you want to just put your money here, see if you can make next month, we can still make that 8.2%. Just jump right in and click on follow and deposit that money there. But on earn is what I want to show you. If we scroll down right here to options and expire position, you can see that for May, which starts right here, I have a lot of profitable strategies. Of course, they are very small with contract size, but all in the green. So green on green because I took it slow. I did my due diligence. I looked at the charts. So here what we have going on is, unfortunately, we cannot see the strikes right here. We're still working on fixing the UI here, the interface for everyone, so you can see which was open and closed. But you can see that all the entries that I did, they were $500 each. So I split my capital into different $500 pools. So these pools were tries that I had to make a good ROI on that. So the biggest win that we got was $76 on Ethereum, and then we got again on Ethereum $50, $51. So the spreads were actually my most profitable strategies throughout this month. We had a lot of good entries entries for Ethereum and for Bitcoin, and we still do, because now with Bitcoin at 71k again, for example, right now for the 14th of June, we have a lot of new good strategies. So for example, we have an above 68 and an above 69, which is really good, because I do believe that we're going to be above that by the 14th of June. And currently we're sitting at $71,000, and you can see we are at the top of the Bollinger, but we have here a very tiny Bollinger. And usually when that happens, you can see right here, a tiny channel here, a tiny channel here. It usually tends to explode again to one side. Of course, we believe that is going to break to the upside. I made a video analyzing a flag pattern here that is going to happen soon, and this should have a breakout here. So if you, like me, believe that this was going to be the breakout, it should be about this size right here. So we're looking at around the $74,000 to $75,000 here. So my personal opinion is that Bitcoin will now have a uptrend again. Personally, I believe that it will hold strong on right here. So it is holding pretty good on this line, and I think it will be doing so throughout and then just break out above. So my personal analysis, I'm not an analyst, so this is just me speculating what the market will do. And because of that, I do like these two a lot. Of course, I would like to be a little bit safer than sorry. So let's open this position together here for this one. We're going to go $500 as well, and we're going to make 59.5. So really good. We're going to click on open, wait a little bit, and we should have it open. There you go, position open successfully. And what do we have for Ethereum? We unfortunately don't have anything for Ethereum for June 14th and neither for June 21. So if we go to end of June, we have these two crazy numbers here, 4,000% on both sides. This one is above 100k and this one is below 28k. None of these make sense to me, unfortunately, so we're just going to hold on this. And then for July 26, we have a lot here, both on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Actually, we have more Ethereum than Bitcoin here. We actually have an interesting one above 3,500, and 3,500 is right here. Let me actually pull down this line right here to the 3,500. So 3,500 is around here. So I don't see Ethereum going down that much unless something happens, something crazy. This small resistance right here that I was analyzing in another time frame, I believe this one, once Ethereum breaks above this, then we'll be way safer as well. But I do believe that we're looking strong here, and the support for it is around there. So I believe that Ethereum should stay inside this range, and if it breaks this point right here, it is up only. Again, this is me speculating on Ethereum. This is not guaranteed. This is just me telling you what I think the market's going to do. So that being said, for Ethereum, I like this one a lot. This one, the 3,500 for 24.1%. Let's open this right here. Let's go for 500 as well. This one is going to give me 120 if it goes in my way. So very good returns. Let's open this position as well. Position open successfully. So these are the spreads that we took for so far. Of course, we can open more as our positions expire. So the more money we get back from these positions that we have open, the more collateral we get back from those positions that close, the more we can reinvest and open more strategies here. And also for options, we can buy more options as collateral gets back into our account again. So what are your strategies for this month? A good friend of the channel mentioned, I think in the last video or two videos before, that historically when Bitcoin does well in May, June is also a green month. So everyone is hoping for a very good month for Bitcoin and also for Ethereum. So this is why I'm opening these specific positions. If you got all the way to the end of the video, as we said in the beginning, we're going to have a giveaway. This one is $100. We're going to do these recurrently so you can test out our product. So if you got all the way to the end of the video, for you to qualify for this, we're going to be picking winners and I'm going to be posting it on the post tab here on YouTube. But how it works is you have to scroll down a little bit and comment your favorite option strategy. So that can be a straddle, strangle, whatever it is, vanilla options, more sophisticated options, whatever it is. Just tell me the underlying asset and your favorite strategy, and you are qualified for the giveaway. The giveaway is going to be $100, and how you're going to receive that is on Bitopics. So you're going to have on Bitopics, you have to create an account on Bitopics, and again, the link is going to be the first in the description. You have to create that, and you're going to have $100 in credit for you to open a position and play with options here on Bitopics. And who knows, maybe you can make that money into $500 and then you can cash out. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.